This lab is about determining empirical formula by comparing product yield. First, let's review empirical formula. Glucose and formaldehyde are very different molecules, but what they both have in common is the same ratio of carbon to hydrogen to oxygen, which means they both have the same empirical formula, which shows us that ratio. In this lab, we're going to combine two chemicals, X and Y, which Miss Jo is preparing for us right now. Our question is, in what ratio do these two chemicals combine to form a new substance? If we know the answer to that, we can then write the empirical formula for that new substance. Safety first. In every lab, we need to wear our gloves and lab coat and safety goggles. Did you remember the right footwear too? Let's set up our experiment. We have 7 test tubes. Starting with number 1 and 0 drops of chemical A, we're going to add 4 more drops in each successive test tube, until finally we get up to 24 drops of chemical A in test tube number 7. We'll do the same pattern for chemical B, but in reverse. With this setup, every test tube will have a different ratio of our chemicals A and B. The one that produces the most product will have the ratio of A and B that best matches the ratio that they react together in to form the new compound. The chemicals we used in this lab react to form a product that will precipitate, that is, fall out of solution, like snow or rain precipitate from clouds. Which one of your test tubes produced the most precipitate? What is the correct empirical formula for this precipitate? That's it. Have a great lab.